Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? First of all, I am very thankful for all of you who have subscribed ABSC channel. We will hit finally, my friends, 12,700 subscriber. So it's a very big family, my brother, and absolutely everyone invest in a crypto. This all my subscriber is completely, my friends, earn more and more money in crypto. So therefore that they all subscribe our YouTube channel, and absolutely every month they will get a profit, because ABSC channel will guide this all. ABSC channel will give share opinion, everything, my friends, updates, news, and good time for investment, and absolutely something more special news, information, secret information about all cryptocurrencies. So therefore people are loved ABSC channel, and they are finally subscribe our YouTube channel. So if you want to earn money in a crypto, you will also need to subscribe this channel, and definitely most welcome to our YouTube channel. Kindly don't miss our videos. I hope you will earn more and more money from crypto. Today we will talk about the Dogecoin, my friends. Absolutely, if you already see the thumbnail which I show you the danger update, so definitely this is a very danger update. But don't worry, this time don't be afraid. You can see 3.04% profit in last 24 hours. But this is very shocked to see, my friends, but this is the reality. You can see your last 7 days minus 12.99%, they are lost now. So what's the main reason to they are lost, my friend? This is the danger update. Therefore I will tell you this is danger update. This is short dump, but definitely it's a very bad dump, because as you can see here in the start of month every coin were fails down. But this is here is, you can see, my friend, something different. The start of month this coin will moving upward, and definitely the current condition is also very good now. But why for a short time this coin were fails down? This is because, my brother, the most, my friends, profitable coin, you can see, my friends, fails down for a short time. Why? The main reason, my friend, which I found today all day, my friend, I researched for Dogecoin to what is the reason of this short term. So I found this reason, my friends. My technical analyst clearly told this, my friend, too. This time, as you can see, my friend, they fails down because after a huge jump. Remember, to every coin were fails down in the start of month, but this coin will moving upward. So therefore, when a short term investor, my friends, see a huge jump, so definitely, my friends, they were starting investing more and more. But when, my friends, they all decide, when the coin will starting moving downwards slowly, definitely they will starting selling, so the coin were very badly fails down. So therefore I think the main reason was that. And the second reason, my friend, absolutely clear, this too, in the start of month there is no time, my friends, to they will fails down. So therefore every time there are chances to they will fails down. But don't worry, my friends, after the mid of month absolutely every coin will starting moving upward, and definitely they will get a profit now. So you already see, my friend, the last 24 hours chart definitely going to be positive. So first of all, you will need to go, my friends, to invest more and more. And I hope, my friend, these days, absolutely, I also, my friends, 2 days ago to I invest in Dogecoin for a short time. Absolutely, my friends, for a short time. At the end I will again said it now. So therefore, my friend, I will also recommend you to, if you want to earn money in Dogecoin, this is very good, my friends. So you will invest for a short time, because sometimes the Dogecoin price will very badly falls down. So therefore you will be lost now. So be ready for a good profit. Please invest in those days and sell it at the end of month. I hope you will earn more and more money from Dogecoin. Thanks for watching, holder. Kindly like video, and please don't forget to subscribe channel if you want to earn money in a crypto.